CCFLT, CCFLT.
I can use ideas that will last, so I can always rock my class. So I
can always rock my class.
Thank you. So the idea is to get students engaged, so to be married, to learning. But my philosophy is that we're all teacher rock stars, every one of us. And when you look at the definition, that is you. Okay, what are the gaps? Which of the following are your biggies? Biggie, can't you see? Sometimes these gaps just hypnotize me. It's called the Mona Lisa strategies. Is then have them write questions to Mona. Then what you do is you have them get in a circle, hold hands, and you do a seance. You bring back Mona, and she answers all the questions. No, you don't, because you like your job. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to face the screen. If you're born in a month of the year that starts with the letter J, please sit down right now. If there's any red on your clothing, please sit down. Please sit down. If your nose has 2 nostrils, sit down or stay seated. Finally, if you think it's unfair to discriminate against people because of when they were born, what they wear, or how they look, please stand up. Do you see how I got a chance to embed SEL in there? That whole idea of, who we are, where we belong, the fact that we are all together, right? And that we should be looking at each other as humans and not as glasses wearers, march-born people, and things like that. Do you guys believe in violence in the classroom? Me too. Absolutely. And here's different ways of doing it. We know we can use current music. I love YouTube, it's perfect for that. Our French people who do Mani Musicale, little plug. But don't forget where it originated. It was with the Spanish teachers. Parody classics. Rewrite the words and do goofy things to it. TikTok trends. Powerful. And even do torturous tactics. How many know the Baby Shark song? It is really annoying. So that's what you do. Accent aigu, aigu, aigu. L'accent grave, grave, grave. L'accent grave, grave, grave. L'accent grave, grave, grave. Circonflexe, flex, flex. Circonflexe, flex, flex. L'accent fait ma, ma, ma. L'accent fait ma, ma, ma. L'accent fait ma. C'est dit, la c'est dit. C'est dit, la c'est dit. And I wiggle it. Like, that's just, I love you. Okay. Now when it's game on in a language class, it's pure paradise. Thank you. So everybody do this right where you're at, okay? Pick a whole number. Double the number you picked. So if you picked 33, it's now 66. Now subtract the original number you picked. And then you turn to page 81 to find out that everybody in this room, simple. Okay? So they'll think that you're some kind of math wizard. So thank you for hanging on so extra long. I apologize for people who are next. Okay?